this is Sharif for Just Nailed It, and welcome to She Modern Saturday. This week, we are going to do some glow-in-the-dark nails with decals, but I'm not using the Galaxy. I am using She Modern's Sparkling Glow-in-the-Dark Pigment Powder, and this is a beautiful, beautiful thing here. We're going to be doing that in 2 nails. We're going to have a sugar nail and then 2 nails with some Dead Man's Marlar from Charlie's Nail Art. I'm a brand ambassador for She Modern. My code is NAILED67. I will put that across the bottom of the screen. For Charlie's Nail Art, I am also an ambassador for them. It is NAILED10. 2 different codes, 2 different numbers, very similar. My codes are always down in the description box, so please always check that out when you're looking for a discount code for a company. The products I'm going to be using today is the Stencil Glue Gel, glow-in-the-dark pigment, an Orange Hollow, hello baby, hello Erica, a Orange Hollow Sugar Crush, which I love a sugar nail. And this is so beautiful. On the orange, it is iGel Beauty's DD66 Blazing Orange. Love this color. You give you a little gander in the bottle. It is beautiful. Beautiful color. Love iGel Beauty products. The white is from iMethod. Check them out here on YouTube and Instagram as well. I've got my decal soaking. I've got a witch and a spooky tree. But first, I got my pumpkin, my nail stand that I'm going to be using. I'm going to coat all 5 nails with the Stencil Glue Gel. This was formerly known as Glue Gel. Tina has revamped, She Modern has revamped the whole entire website. Go check out the catalog and see what you can find. There's just everything is brand new. Now, this nail on this nail already has glow-in-the-dark pigment on it. I'm putting this on to hold the decals to the nail because that's where they're going. I know I skipped the index finger. I am going to go back to it. The index and ring will have Dead Man's Marlar. So I'm going to put those in the lamp. Give them a 30 to 60 second cure. My base and top coat is by Beauty. As you may notice, there are some PR items in the video. I'm going to be, look how beautiful this is. This is from Charlie's, Dead Man's Marlar. I think this is a gorgeous product. I've yet to use it, but I think it's beautiful. Cannot wait. So head over to Charlie's Nail Art, check them out as well. Oh shoot. Marlar down. Almost had a big boo-boo going. Oh my goodness. There is a skull and cross piece of hair in here too. Don't want the hair. There is a skull and crossbones in here. How funny is that? Okay, the nails are complete. You can see the 2 nails already go. Well, let me see. Let me shut my light off here just a minute. See how they glow? So, we're going to start with the sugar nail first, work our way down the assembly line. Tap, tap, tap. A little does go a long way. Rub, rub, rub. Tap, tap, tap. I do stick this back on the lamp for a like 30-second cure of that, just to get it to adhere better into the glue. SheModern does no longer carry at this time the Sugar Crush series. So I'm really sorry about that. How beautiful that is. I love a sugar nail. I think they're just beautiful. Okay, let's go in for some Dead Man's Mylar. I really want one of these. Oh, beautiful. There's some of the orange pieces. Whoops. I'm gonna place these just randomly on the nail. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to stick this in real quick, give this a flash cure. Trying to get the skull to stay down. So subscribe to my channel. Please click the bell, click all, that way you get notified of all future videos. That would greatly help my channel out. And please don't skip the commercials. That is how I make my revenue. And that goes for any monetized channel. Some orange down here, maybe. Gotta mix it up. Gotta mix it up. So I'm going to press these down into the glue. Get them to stay down the best that they can. Pop this back into the light. Same with the other nail. Okay. We'll take care of that in a minute. We are now going to go in with our decals. I've got my Ice Cube stamper from Maniology, and yes, there is a code for that down in the description box as well. Roll your stamper right over the image. Tap off on a lint-free surface. Line up on your nail the best that you can. And that should be perfectly flat if you scored your decals. Always score your decals, ladies, that way they lay nicely on the nail. Our nails are not flat, they are curved. I think that looks really cool. Should have took out some bats. Let me get some of my Mylar over here. There. We're going to go in now with our thumbnail, which is the witch. Dab off on a lint-free surface. Stamp on the nail. Off camera, I have got my silicone tool, just making sure everything is kosher. That is where it is supposed to be. Whoops. Whoops a daisy. Alright. Get these out of here. Now all the nails will be top coated except the sugar nail. Just gonna take my palette, wipe it off. Good as new. Good as new. Just taking all my stuff, putting everything away. Now we have got Pucci's No Wipe Top Coat. We're going to be using this to top coat our nails. There we go. All nice and pretty. Make sure you get your sides real well. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not even in frame. Please forgive me. The mylar pieces, or the nails with the mylar on, you may want to top coat twice so that they are more smooth. Okay, I'm going to pop these in the lamp for 60. Maybe put a second coat, and we will be right back. We are back. The nails are in their last and final few seconds of curing. I want to shut all the lights off so that you can see what they look like coming fresh out of the lamp. Here is the glow powders themselves. Look at how stunning. That is just awesome. So to get these on SheModern.com, use my code NAILEDIT67. Here are our nails. Look at that. See the witch and the haunted tree. No, I'm only kidding. I think these look super cool. The glow lasts for a very long time. And here is the manicure in light. Let me ruffle up my fur. I think these look really, really super cute. Really cute. Let me comment down below. Let me know what you think of my glow-in-the-dark manicure. You're using SheModern's Sparkle Glow in the Dark pigment. Last week we used the Galaxy top coat. I believe it had the matte finish. And we got us this orange sugar nail. Got it. Gotta have a sugar nail. But I think these turned out really nice. Had to pull out the decals for Halloween. So let me comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click all on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future uploads. And we will see you next time. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.